Hey Glamsters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Gloriana and this is Josh Sadowski.
Josh Sadowski right here. You guys can also find me at Laugh with Josh.
We are going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial. We have the video right here and we have our lovely
setup, which took a lot of time to buy everything, but we're happy we're doing it. I've been wanting to do a Bob Ross tutorial since I was a little kid.
Me too. So we're going to get started, okay?
Let's do this. You guys ready? Also comment down below who you think is going to do the best job. Yeah. Also, another thing is on my channel, Gloriana's going to be in it. She's going to be helping me. We're doing a James Charles parody. So if you guys want to go check that out, I really appreciate it. And make sure you guys subscribe to Gloriana if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up.
Welcome back. Certainly glad you could join us today. I thought today we'd do a painting. It just has a
Why
lot
are you
of color.
so like...
I'm ready.
So let's go right into a small amount of the Indian yellow.
I don't know what to do.
Same, I'm having no crisis. Okay. We haven't even started and we're already stressing out.
Okay, I'll use the bronze.
I'm gonna use...
I'm
not gonna tell you what I'm using.
This is actually okay. This is actually okay.
Mine looks so much better than yours. I already know it.
This actually looks okay. Okay.
Dark colors. Why are you having a mental crisis?
I don't know what I'm doing.
It's supposed to be a battle. Why is my blob so big? I'm gonna fix it with some white here. I feel like there's too much here.
Painting the brush, a little touch of the bright red.
Bright red. Okay, let's watch.
Be careful with the bright red. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color, but it is so strong.
Let's watch.
One tube would turn the whole Atlantic Ocean red.
You just... Okay.
Wait.
I have a feeling I'm gonna mess up on this.
Oh, yep, too late. Said to be careful with the red.
Yeah, I wasn't.
Same.
It's not light. Oh wait, okay. We can like fix it with like white. This is...
Same. I just splattered white all over the freaking canvas.
Okay, I'm just kind of dotting white all over. Then I'm wiping... Oh, why am I telling you this?
Yes, yeah,
I'm talking to the audience though. This is perfect. This is perfect.
For the rest of the sky, tell you what, let's do the rest of the sky in, let's use a lavender color. We'll just brush mix it here. I'll use a little phthalo blue, alizarin crimson, proportionately, much more crimson than blue.
What's crimson? Is that
color
purple?
compared to the,
we'll see.
To the blue.
I'm gonna get another brush.
What would that look like? No. Take that off. Wait, what did he say to mix it with?
It was the actual, that's the actual color, name of the color.
Yeah, but like he mixed two colors together.
Says I have the perfect mix. Can't tell you.
Wait, tell me.
I'm making my own mix. That's the
Help
thesis.
me.
I can't.
Help me. I need another plate. Where's the plates? That's too much white. Perfect, 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 perfect.
That's the most fun part of this whole procedure.
That she can get close here so you don't have to go as far. What is he doing?
Just beat the devil out of it. Now then, clean, dry brush. Let's begin blending these colors together.
Wait.
Just blend them together.
Oh.
There, because the liquid white's under there, you can literally move and blend color.
Liquid white.
And that's exactly what we're doing.
He didn't tell us to put liquid white on the bottom.
Just beating the brush to remove any paint that I've picked up without going through the whole cleaning procedure.
I'm gonna do a risky move. That ruined it.
There. Just didn't want to bother cleaning the whole brush.
Mine looks nothing like that.
Something about like that.
Mine does.
Now that's up here in the sky.
Clouds.
I have a sky that's just...
Boy, what?
Just gorgeous, shiny, bright. A lot of color in it. Right up in here. It just sort of floats around, has a good
It's
time.
floating. Why is it floating?
I don't know. This
Clouds
is the
are
sky. Nothing floats in the
freest
sky
things
unless
in
you're a
nature.
freaking plane.
Maybe over in here there's some more. Whatever.
So bright.
Whatever. Now today, I'm gonna get our little soft blender brush. Very gentle, soft little brush.
Gentle?
Barely touching.
Gentle. It's very
Just
touchy.
There we go. Something about like that. And you can fluff it a little bit, blend it.
Mine looks like
Little
the
cloud
worst
or-
storm.
Shoot, it's a big old cloud. It's just sitting right up there in the sky.
Why is my cloud not like your cloud? I
Now
think
then,
that's the question.
we can maybe over in here. We got a little more.
I'm trying to make my cloud smaller, but I'm just literally making
He
it
has a
bigger.
Very
big
soft, gentle, quiet.
First off, look at his.
I don't. Okay. I don't really know what's happening with mine. Okay, I'm gonna do that fanning technique he's talking about.
And let's go down here.
What is happening?
Some of that
I
nice
don't.
lavender color down here.
I
About
don't
like
have
it.
purple.
I don't
A
have
little more of that lavender color.
a cloud.
There, we
Canvas.
just drop him on.
Ooh, 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 ooh. I just
Grab
turned into an ogre.
Twitch brush.
Oh
Now we'll grab that
gosh, I don't know
firmly.
what's
Pull it.
happening.
Just pull it.
Okay, I have
Just
a
blend
lot
the
of
base of
space
it
for
out so
a
all
lot
you
of
see
lavender.
Is a nice
I think I
silhouette
put mine
sitting
too high.
because this one's far away. Quiet little mountain.
Or sucked. But it's actually okay. Like, did you put yours too high? Like, because I have a lot of lavender to fill.
This was the biggest.
Mistake of our lives.
The mountain I'm doing is not. It ain't a chief.
And let's have a little mountain first.
A little mountain? Oh, I made half my
Get
picture the
far away.
mountain. For white.
Almost to the edge of nowhere. There, we just drop him on. Drop him on.
He just built a mountain in 3
Twitch
seconds.
brush.
I've been working on mine for 20
And we'll
minutes.
grab that. But I've got one young feller that outpaints me when it comes to mountains. That's my son
Right,
Steve.
my knife
I
is
saw him
cutting
sitting
up
there.
the
Shows
red
that
end.
he's just one of the most dynamite mountain painters I've ever seen. There we go.
Mine is
Pull that.
I'm gonna give you guys a quick preview of what it looks like. See how beautiful my mountain is? Can you see that? I know, it's insane. I'm so proud of this mountain. It's a beautiful mountain, I'm not lying. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what to do. This is me in every math class in school. I don't understand. Bob Ross, come on. I've been trying to figure this out. Does this help if I do this? I don't know how to draw a mountain. I'm gonna have a mental collapse. I can't do this. This is really long. Well, I am going to rebase so that I can redraw this canvas.
Don't let life knock you down, you know?
Just skip that up, back up, and
Yeah.
hike a mountain.
Yeah.
Tell me these mountains are not. Whoa! Okay, on camera.
It looks good on
Dude, it looks so good on camera. This looks. Whoa! I look like Van Gogh
It looks good
got
on
shook.
camera.
This looks good.
There it goes. A little bit more. Right there. And I'm just going to blend it. That's really about all we're going to do. Just enough to give the indication of a little highlight here and there.
Wait, did you just see what he did?
A little peninsula right there. I don't know, wherever you want it.
Yeah.
And then grab it.
Mine looks just like that. I think
That's good
I'm
enough.
doing a decent
Stop
job.
Don't
bragging.
want much back
Mine
here.
does look just like that. Like, I'm not lying. It looks so good.
We're coming right along here. Let's have some fun. You know me. I like trees. Let's make a tree.
Oh God, I knew it. Boy, what is he
Crimson in
doing?
there.
I don't know what he's doing.
All those good, dark, rich colors. Let me clean the old knife off here. Good, dark color. Should look black on the palette.
I always put my hand on the wall when I'm like concentrating.
A little bit of white.
Loaded full of color. A lot of paint. A lot of paint. Let's go over here. Maybe in our world, there is now. Looks like a whole bunch of trees. Gotta have one big tree. There.
Well, guess what? I'm ahead of you, buddy.
There we go. Big old tree. Big strong tree. He lives right up here. Looks out over this gorgeous, gorgeous scene.
Oh, how is he? I am
Okay,
so
put that green on the
confused.
fan brush
What
here.
happened? How did he go from
Indication here
how?
and there. Not much.
What did he do?
Much.
I don't.
A little bit of
I'm so
highlight on some of these
confused.
streaks. Just enough so you know
I
there's
don't
a
know what's
little green
happening.
over here,
I'm
too.
doing good. I'm doing good. Josh, you're just a little bit slow.
There's-
I'm done.
I'm not gonna lie, my mountain finally came along.
Okay, so mine is done. I'm going to show you my preview. I put my name at the bottom. Yeah, these are my clouds. That's that. And that's that. I'd be done. So my mom's going to come down and judge these. And then after that, we're going to reveal them to each other. Are you done? Her mom's coming up. See how mine looks in the video?
Yes.
Okay, now Joshua, do the same thing.
How good it looks. It looks so much
Together.
better on the lens.
Yeah, it does.
Okay,
Looks good.
put yours back.
I'm an artist. I'm what do they call the person?
Artiste.
Yeah, I'm that.
Okay, pick.
Well, can I say both are good?
No.
No, you have to
one.
pick you have to pick the
one.
winner.
You have to
Have
pick
to
the
pick.
favorite. I have a feeling it's you.
No, I have a feeling it's you.
It's yours, probably.
It is?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Well,
Are you sure? I think so, yeah. Yeah, it is. It is.
yes, it
Okay.
is.
Is it really?
Okay.
Hold on, wait, let me pull back some of these mountains artistically.
That looks good too. Really, but I don't know.
Okay. Thank you. You can go upstairs.
All right.
You guys comment down below who the winner is. 3, 2, 1. Yours is so much better though. Well, I think it's because mine has the
Your
amount.
mountains are huge.
I know.
What happened to your sky?
Let me. You'll see in the video. So I did these mountains, but I didn't know what to do, so I blended out the whole thing and then restarted from the beginning.
Okay.
Mission failed.
I don't know. I probably should have done Gloriana.
No, I think Gloriana's is more in place, but mine I think the trees are more detailed.
This is good though. Like this blend.
That blend was good. I like the trees. My trees are really nice.
I like my trees.
Thank you guys so much for joining. I was so happy to be here. I think we both did a great job. We had fun. Bob Ross, honestly, I think did inspire us to do.
Yeah. We kind of went on our own little adventure.
But like he showed us how to like create the base. Next
Yeah.
time, I think next time,
Yeah.
with the experience we now have, we'll be maestros and
Yeah.
we can all sell our paintings. You know what I really like about
I
yours
messed
is
up right here, kind of.
I don't like this. I don't know what happened here.
Yeah.
But this mountain, that mountain's everything. When I saw that mountain, I was like, whoa. I like this mountain. I feel like on my mountain, I have.
You're like, oh, I'm the winner now. We're gonna drop everything else, and we're gonna start painting the rest of our lives, right?
Yes, I think that's a genius idea.
What are you doing?
I'm making the cloud a little.
Thank you guys so much for watching. His YouTube channel and his TikTok and all his other social media platforms are going to be linked and usernames in the description.
Shovel hers.
So, yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm glad to have been a guest. You guys, I'm squatting right now because I'm a little too tall. I need
I'm like on my
leg
tippy
workouts
toes.
anyway. If you guys would like us to do another video like this, make sure to comment down below.
Yeah, like another Bob Ross tutorial. I would be so down to do another one.
Let's do one. Maybe we should jump on one. My channel.
And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and press that subscribe button. If it is red, that means you are not subscribed yet.
Oh, and when you turn on the bell, you won't miss out on any other future videos.
Yeah, so make sure you click that bell icon too.
We'll see you guys next time. We
Thank
love
you.
you. Bye.